Hello guys, welcome back to Amobi channel. If you are an iPad user, you might have an issue where your screen is frozen or unresponsive, so you can't swipe iPad screen or stuck on Apple logo. Today we will show you 3 ways how to fix a frozen iPad. Let's dive in. Method 1. Force restart for various iPad models. When you encounter iPad screen is frozen, force restarting iPad is a quick and effective solution. For iPad users with home button, press and hold the home button and the top or side power button at the same time. Then keep holding until the Apple logo appears. This may take about 10 seconds. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the 2 buttons and wait for iPad to restart. For iPad users without home button, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Continue to hold the power button, also called the top button, until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. After the Apple logo appears, release the power button and wait for iPad to restart. Once the reboot is complete, you can check if the problem has been resolved. Fix frozen iPad with iTunes or Finder. Firstly, connect your iPad to iTunes with a USB cable. Then open iTunes on your PC. Here you need to enter your iPad into recovery mode. For an iPad without a home button, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the top button. For an iPad with a home button, press and hold both the home and the top or side buttons at the same time. Keep holding the button or buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. Wait for iTunes to detect your iPad. Click on the device icon at the top and select your iPad. Then go to the Summary tab and click Restore iPad. Tap on the Restore button. Once the pop-up message appears, click on Restore to confirm. Now, wait for iTunes to restore your iPad to factory settings. After iPad restarts, check if it works well. Fix frozen iPad via AnyFix. AnyFix is a professional iOS system repair tool that only takes a few clicks to fix a frozen iPad screen in a few minutes with no tech required. Besides, it can fix 150 iOS system issues for iDevices such as iPhone stuck on Apple logo, iPad boot loop, downgrade or upgrade iOS system, and more without data loss. Just free downloaded on the video description. Firstly, download and launch AnyFix on your computer. Then, connect your iPad to computer with a USB cable. Then open AnyFix, choose System Repair Mode. Next, according to iPad frozen issue, choose Device Bug button and click Start Now. Then, you can choose a mode to repair your iOS device. Now, choose the Standard Repair option. Click the Download button to start downloading the firmware for your iOS device. After downloading, click the Fix Now button. As the repairing process completes, the Repair Completed page will appear. Now your iPad should be repaired successfully. Okay, that's all about today's video. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for your watching. See you guys next time.